afternoon. I am Sukanda. Um, I am 20 years old. I studying at National University of Laos. Uh, I studied last year. Now I have apprentice for 3 months. After that, I will graduate. I receive uh, scholarship from Enfant DC. It make my life better. I receive from the Enfant DC. I use it for nation, necessity of life such as born, education, equipment. Finally, I am allowed to receive scholarship from Enfant DC. I wish everyone in this program to be happy and successful in their lives. Thank you very much.